It's the next day for this Riviera, so I'll dry it out. Did a lot more cleaning on it yesterday. Not necessarily up here. This is just pressure washed. I'll get inside here. Clean up today. Took the wire wheel and knocked a lot of loose rust off the floor back here. Took that trim off, went across the rear deck. The wire wheel all around the window. I'm gonna put some rust killer, something to treat the rust next. And cut some stuff out. It's the worst part of the trunk rail. This corner's the worst. Seems pretty good from here up and all the way around though. Corner's a little rough too. It's cleaned up good. I haven't even took the wire wheel to it. It's just sitting like it was. So I'll get inside today. So I wiped the inner door and the door jams down. Last thing I did yesterday. Just for the hell of it. I had a bucket of water and could cut it and sponges out. So I went ahead and wiped some more things down. So we'll take all this up and see what he's got going for putting out the floorboards. It's just the front so far. The back is actually solid. Both sides. And got some work on these two support bars. Mainly on the driver's side. Let's go around. We clean the glass and everything up today. Just wipe it down. It's inside and out. Go ahead and remove all of this. So it's rough. Frame seems solid at least. I think we're gonna go frame off on this one. So we'll see how that goes. Let me tackle the back of this next, like I did the trunk and the roof. I removed the headliner and we still have pieces left around the edges. We'll start cleaning all the edge up and get the old insulation out of here. Throw it in the trash. Start cleaning. Well, that metal's pretty good. It should clean up decent. It's probably the worst rust there. A little bit up here. Still some niceness. Alright. Clean this up and get back to my truck. This should be the next video. Peace.